What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into a side of Mexico you've never seen before. We're uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts that will completely change your view of this incredible country. Get ready for ancient wonders, unbelievable food, and traditions bursting with life and color. This isn't just a travel video, it's an emotional, eye-opening journey into the heart and soul of Mexico. Buckle up, because your perception of Mexico is about to be shattered. Let's get into it. 10 shocking facts about life in Mexico. When you picture Mexico, you probably see beaches and deserts, but that's just the beginning. Mexico's landscape is one of the most diverse on Earth. Deserts, jungles, snow-capped volcanoes, canyons, wetlands, and rolling green hills. You can surf Pacific waves, hike through jungles, or explore canyons that rival the Grand Canyon, all in one country. This diversity shapes the culture, food, and daily life in every region. It's like visiting a dozen countries without ever crossing a border. So next time you think of Mexico, remember, it's a world of landscapes waiting to be discovered. Did you know Mexico has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country in the Americas? 35 sites, more than the USA, Canada, or Brazil, protect a legacy built on ancient civilizations. You can walk through a modern city and stumble upon Aztec ruins or climb the iconic pyramids of Chichen Itza and Teotihuacan. These aren't just tourist spots, they're living testaments to the ingenuity and resilience of the Maya, Aztecs, and Olmecs. Exploring these sites is an emotional experience, connecting you directly to 1,000 years of history. The story of Mexico is one of the greatest ever told, and so much of it is still waiting to be uncovered. It's a treasure chest of human history, and it's absolutely massive. The Day of the Dead, Dia de Muertos, isn't a somber event. It's a vibrant, joyful celebration of life. On November 1st and 2nd, families welcome the spirits of loved ones back for a massive reunion. Altars, or ofrendas, are filled with favorite foods, drinks, and photos of the departed. Streets overflow with marigolds, music, and parades. People paint their faces as elegant skeletons to honor life and death. Families gather in cemeteries to share stories, food, and memories. It's a party, not a funeral. A powerful reminder that our loved ones live on in memory. Witnessing it will change how you see life and death. It's one of the most beautiful traditions in the world. Think you know tacos? Think again. Mexican street food is a universe of flavor, way beyond hard shells and ground beef. Try tacos al pastor, esquites, tlayudas, gorditas, and tamales. Each region has its own specialties. Every street corner is a new adventure, with vendors serving up fresh, unforgettable dishes. Eating here isn't just about food, it's about joining a daily ritual central to Mexican life. Be adventurous. Point at something you don't recognize and try it. The flavors will blow your mind. It's cheap, fresh, and made with love. You'll never look at tacos the same way again. Mexico isn't just Spanish-speaking. It's one of the most linguistically diverse countries on Earth. 68 indigenous languages are spoken by millions, including Nahuatl, Mayan, Zapotec, and Mixtec. These aren't dialects. They're unique languages with ancient roots. Traveling through regions like Oaxaca or Chiapas, you'll hear conversations in languages that predate Spanish by centuries. This diversity is a living connection to Mexico's pre-Hispanic past and a symbol of cultural resilience. Many Mexicans are bilingual or trilingual, adding richness to daily life. Mexico is a mosaic of cultures, each with its own voice. Here's a wild fact. Mexico City is literally sinking, in some places up to 20 inches per year. Built on a drained lakebed, the city draws water from underground aquifers, causing the soft soil to compact. The result? Leaning buildings, cracked sidewalks, and entire neighborhoods dropping several feet. The city is in a constant battle against its own foundations. It's a surreal sight, walking through a global capital that's slowly subsiding beneath your feet. This creates huge challenges, from infrastructure damage to flooding risks. Mexico City is a marvel of culture and history, but it's also a city fighting a slow-motion battle against gravity. It's as fascinating as it is urgent. Mexico is now home to over 1 million foreign expats, mostly from the US and Canada. Why? The cost of living is lower, and life is more relaxed and community-oriented. People come for affordable housing, great food, and a sense of belonging they couldn't find at home. From colonial towns to beachside communities, expat hubs are thriving. It's not just about money, it's about a better quality of life. For many, the dream of a better life is found by heading south. Mexico's magnetic culture is drawing people from all over the world. In the Yucatan, near Las Coloradas, you'll find lakes that are bubblegum pink, no filter needed. The color comes from salt ponds filled with red algae and brine shrimp, which release pigments that dye the water. The result is a surreal, otherworldly landscape, especially when flamingos, pink from eating the shrimp, gather at the lakes. The white salt borders make the pink pop even more. It's a photographer's dream, and a reminder of nature's wild surprises. You'll never forget seeing it in person. The Yucatan Peninsula hides thousands of cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear water. Some are open pools, others are hidden caves lit by shafts of sunlight. The ancient Maya saw cenotes as sacred portals to the underworld. Swimming in one feels like entering a natural cathedral, pure, cool, and magical. Vines hang overhead, fish swim at your feet, and the water is so clear you can see straight to the bottom. It's a hidden paradise and a unique adventure you'll only find in Mexico. Dive in, it's unforgettable. The most important part of Mexican life isn't visible. It's the central role of family and community. Family is the foundation of society, with multiple generations often living together or nearby. Sundays mean big family meals, laughter, and connection. Neighbors know and support each other, creating a warmth and openness you feel everywhere. This sense of community is the invisible glue that holds Mexico together. It's a powerful reminder of our need for connection. It's the heart of Mexico. And there you have it, 10 facts that reveal a deeper, more beautiful Mexico than you ever imagined. We've only scratched the surface. There are thousands more stories to tell. If this video sparked your curiosity, hit subscribe and join our community. Your support means everything. It keeps these stories coming. Thank you for watching and being part of this adventure. I can't wait to see you in the next one.